Now for the persons that clicked on this video because you saw the pregnancy test in my thumbnail, which is the picture for this video, I just want to say yes. What's good, guys? It's your favorite inconsistent princess, and I'm here with another video for you guys. Now in today's video, I just have a few things to share with you guys as it regards to why I was MIA and what I'm planning to do about it for my future videos. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys some other good stuff. Well, it's good stuff to me. I don't know if it's going to be good stuff to you or bad stuff to you, but yeah, some other good stuff. Before I get into all of this, I just want to say I am so sorry for being MIA. I had little to no control over it, but nevertheless, do not lose faith in me, because I came up with some strategies that I feel like I know is going to work with this time frenzy thing that I'm having going on with me. Now, for those of you who don't know, I do have a job, and I feel like with the job that I do and this coronavirus, along with the many different strains that it comes with, my country has like different curfew time periods and stuff. So with the COVID-19 curfew measures and my timeless job, I feel like that's clashing for me, so I'm unable to upload the way that I planned to upload in the past. Now, the difference that I'm going to make is I am going to start uploading every other week. So yeah, once again, I'm going to start uploading every other week. Now, in doing so, I feel like this will give me more than enough time to get you guys content. Now, I do remember that I once said in an update video that I did not want to base my channel off of just sitting in front of this background and giving you guys content. No, I do remember that I said I wanted to do some vlogs for you guys and stuff, but like I said, with my timeless job and this COVID-19 measures, it's kind of hard for me to do all of that. But now that I am planning to do these changes, hopefully it works out for me. I'm basically going to still post on the days that I usually post, which is Mondays and Fridays. Now, before I had Makeup Monday and Frisky Friday. Now I basically changed the Makeup Monday into Makeover Monday, and the Fridays are still Frisky Friday. Now, why I changed the Makeup Monday into Makeover Monday is simply because to get more content out, I am gonna have to stop dwelling Mondays only on makeup. Now on Mondays it's now going to be a Makeover Monday, so that could basically be me doing a video of hair, beauty in general. So it could be my hair, it could be my nails, it could be makeup just the same, any other thing that has to do with beauty enhancement, makeover, as the word says. That's basically what's going to happen on my channel on a Monday. And on Friday, it is going to remain the same. Frisky Friday is just general videos for not just the females of my platform, general videos to facilitate my male platform as well. I really hope that these new strategies that I'm making helps. I really feel like it will help, because it's like I'm gonna post this week Monday and Tuesday, that I'm not going to post the next week, but the following week I will post, and it goes on and on. I strongly feel like it will work, and it's going to give me enough time to put out different contents for you guys. Also, do not be afraid to like jump in my comment section and let me know the type of videos that you want. That will definitely help me as well. Even though sometimes I don't know why some of the comments that persons make on my videos, they go into spam. It's nothing bad or it's nothing rude, so I don't know why those comments go into spam. It's weird to me, but you guys can definitely say, hey, I'd like you to do this video, I'd like you to do that video. I'm doing this for you guys. You're the ones that are watching, so it's okay if you make some suggestions. Now, for the persons that clicked on this video because you saw the pregnancy test in my thumbnail, which is the picture for this video, I just want to say yes, you guys were wrong. Over here is strictly hot girl summer, strictly hot girl spring, strictly hot girl autumn, strictly hot girl winter. There's no babies here. Sorry to disappoint you. You've been clickbaited. Huh. You've been clickbaited. You've been clickbaited. Yeah. Sorry to disappoint you, but thank you for watching all the way to the end. I hope you guys still rock with me. Please hold the faith. Keep the faith, because we're here. This is the last time I'm coming to you guys with something like this. I promise. For this video, I want you guys to spam up the comment section. Let me know the type of videos you want to see, and anything that I can do, I'll get it done for you, period. Road to 1K subscribers. I'm going to do a giveaway when I get to 1K. Yeah, how I'm going to go about that, I don't know as yet, but I'm definitely going to do a giveaway when I get to 1K. I am now at 700 and something subscribers. Yeah, and it's funny because I feel like if I wasn't so inconsistent, I would have definitely reached 1K subscribers already, but inconsistent me. But as of today going forward, the change has been made, the change is coming, no more inconsistency, period. With that being said, I just want to thank you guys so much. You have no idea how grateful I am for you guys. Thank you. Continue to support, continue to watch, continue to leave your feedbacks. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.